In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up 2FA on Binance using Google Authenticator or Auth, which is the most recommended method to keep your crypto account secure. Okay, so let's get into it. First, grab your phone and download Google Authenticator or Auth. Okay, so I have Auth right here. Okay, install it and leave it ready. Now go on your app, log into your Binance account, click on your profile icon at the top and go to security. In the security page, find the section called Authenticator app and click enable. After that, Binance will show you a QR code and a 16-digit setup key on the screen. Now all you need to do is open your authenticator, tap the plus button at the bottom right and select scan a QR code, or if your camera isn't working, you can tap enter a setup key instead and type in the 16-digit code manually. Okay, once you scan it, Google Authenticator or Auth will immediately generate a 6-digit code for your Binance account. Before you move on, write down the 16-digit backup key that Binance shows you and keep it somewhere else. This is the only way to recover your 2FA if you ever lose your phone. Okay, so now go back to Binance, enter your account password and the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator and click enable. That's it. Now your two-factor authentication is now active on your Binance account. From now on, every time you log in or make a withdrawal, Binance will ask you for the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. So you need to come here, select Binance and copy this token right here. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.